So hi everyone, and welcome to our Essential Oils 101 talk.
So when it comes to essential oils, we are often asked, what are their benefits, how can I use them, and where do they even come from? So today we're going to go over a few of these things with you, and do you want to start with the origin?
Sure, so essential oils have been used for about a millennia. We can trace their initial usage by Babylonian physicians from about 5000 BC. Similarly for Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine from about 2000 BC. There are also many biblical passages that reference their healing properties.
So essential oils are liquids obtained from plants, and it contains the plant's characteristics and aromas. And here at Plantlife, we use 100% pure, therapeutic grade essential oils, meaning there are no additives or fillers.
Yeah, there are many ways for you to use essential oils. You can use them aromatically, topically, as well as internally.
So since we are not aromatherapists nor are we doctors, we cannot suggest internal use for essential oils. Essential oils are highly concentrated and can cause severe internal damage if you do not ingest them safely. So if you are looking to do so, make sure you're working with a licensed professional.
That's right. We're not aware of any of your allergies, your medications, or medical conditions that you may currently be undergoing. So we do want to ensure that you safely ingest all essential oils. With that being said, many of our Plantlife customers do consume our oils internally due to their purity. Now, the choice to ingest the oils is completely up to each individual.
When it comes to using essential oils aromatically, one of the most popular methods to do so is with a diffuser. So right here we have a Cool Mist ultrasonic diffuser, which is actually one of the most popular diffuser styles to use. And what that means is at the bottom of this unit, there's a small flexible piece that vibrates ultrasonically.
Yes, and that ultrasonic energy is passed through the water. It breaks up the water molecule, and then that water molecule is converted from a liquid into a vapor. And that is the vapor that you see when the diffuser is turned on.
And so that vapor propels the essential oil molecules into the air, and then it disperses the oils into the room where your diffuser is sitting, and that actually keeps the essential oils in the air for a longer period of time.
Yeah, when it comes to applying essential oils onto your skin, you never want to apply them neat. And that means you never want to apply them without diluting them first.
And when it comes to dilution, you can dilute with lotions, creams, or one of my favorite things is diluting with carrier oils. This just allows you to apply the oils onto your skin.
Yeah, and remember that every skin type is different. There are some skins that are more highly sensitive than others, so always do a patch test prior to applying them to a specific area.
And now that the season has changed, we do have our seasonal blends back in stock, and we just wanted to show you a few of them today.
Yeah, and the first one up is our pumpkin spice blend. It is all things fall. It is a beautiful way to start your fall festivities. It contains cinnamon leaf, cassia clove, nutmeg, black pepper, and cardamom.
And next we have candy cane. So candy cane contains the invigorating aroma of peppermint and the sweet aroma of vanilla.
It's a beautiful blend. And last but not least is our winter forest blend. It is a beautiful blend. It's like Christmas in a bottle. This one contains cedarwood, spruce, pine, fir needle, and patchouli. You need to bring this one home to close up those winter festivities.
Yes. Hopefully this Essential Oil 101 talk has helped you learn a little bit more about essential oils. And if you do have any more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Or you can always shoot us an email. Our customer service email is info@plantlife.net.
Until next time, bye.